name is Seth Kweku Bani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise.
Alright guys, so let's go to Photoshop and then Control N to bring about the document, the new document this time. Okay, so it's in inches. The client said he wants it 14 inches here, 14 inches here, and then 21. Okay, that was the measurement she gave me, and she wants a wedding invite. Okay, so this inches, we set it to CYMK. Let me just call it wedding invite or card. Okay, then we click on create. If your wheelers are not available, just Control R will bring them up, and then make sure you click on your move tool and then start moving them. Start moving them. Alright, so our wheelers in place. Let's start with our background. We are going to choose a solid color. She's going for green, dark green with gold color, and so that's what we're going to do is 0. Okay, so this color is the color she's using, and so there's it. We also like to bring our border, and then let's bring this there, then let's reduce it, put it somewhere there. Okay, let's see. I think this is good. Okay, so let's change the color. This is not the kind of gold she's using. Let's go to color. No, let's go to gradient overlay, and then let's choose. Let's change here to F. Okay, let's change here as well to great. Click on OK. Make sure the blend mode is it's normal. Yeah, it's normal. Also make sure the opacity is 100%, and then also make sure the reverse is selected. The align with layer is also selected. Let's set the angle to 90 degree if yours is not 90 degree, and then the scale, let's set it to 91. But most importantly, let's set the style to also radial. Then we click on OK. And so this is what we had, and this is the color that we are using. So this is what I want to use. Alright, now we can duplicate it. Control T. Then let's flip it horizontal. Okay, this looks good. And then Control J to duplicate the two that we've selected. Control T to transform it, and then flip it vertical. Hold Shift and then drag it down. Drag it down. Drag it down. Let's see how it looks. I like this already. Let's see how it looks here. Let's see how it looks there. Okay, so let's push it up a little bit. Let's push it up a little bit. See how it looks up and how it looks down. This is good. Also want to bring this here and bring this here, and then bring one here and bring one here. Okay, pick this rectangle to cancel, drag from there to here. Okay, click over here and select, click here and select this color, click on OK. Alright, so this is what we have. Let's hide it and let's see how it looks like. Doesn't really look like what I expected. But then let's pull it here. Oh no, hold shift and drag this one here and drag this one here a little bit, Ctrl T, and then let's see how it looks like. Okay, alright, so you can see it's hitting the middle there, the middle there, the middle there. Yeah, that's what we wanted to go for. And then let's click on, alright, let's give it drop shadow. Double click here, let's pull it up so you can see it clearly. Click on drop shadow, click on it. Okay, so you click on it, drop shadow, make sure it's black, make sure the blend mode is multiply. Let's set the opacity to 75%, the angle 90 degrees is good, and then let's use global light as well. Let's set the distance to 0, let's set the spread to 27, and the size, let's set the size to 122. Let's set it to 80 and see. I think 80 is good. Let's bring this one in a little bit. Let's put the size out. Okay, so this is great, right? The spread will be 0, and then let's set the size to 109. Then we click on OK. Let's reduce the shadow a little bit. It's too harsh. The opacity of the shadow is too harsh. Okay, so 51 is too good. It's good now. Alright, now this is good. And then we can put everything in one folder, and then we can name it Beachy. Okay, let's pick this. Let's type it there. Okay, let's zoom in. Let's move it that way. Okay, and then let's reduce it. Okay, let's also make sure the font is Vivaldi, and then this is clicked on, so we have something like this. Okay, let's increase the size a little bit. It's good. Then we can give it auto. Pull it down small, pull it down a little bit. It's quite good. Duplicate it, then pull it down. Then let's copy this. Copy the entire text. Double click here, then paste it. We also want to click here, and then let's choose sticker, and then let's resize it. Okay, so this is great. The size is good. Let's push it up a little bit. Duplicate it. Then pull it down. And then let's choose this. Georgina and Gideon. Double click here. Then paste it there. And also we want to select this font. Let's select chopping script. I'll leave this in the description for you, so do not really worry too much. Okay, let's increase size. Then let's reduce it. Let's reduce it. Okay, so this is good. Bring it down a little bit. And also Ctrl J. Let's pick the end symbol. Then let's put it there. So let's see whether it's centered. Okay, let's put it in a folder. I think this one is separate, this one is separate, this two, right? Yeah, let's name it name. Then this two, let's name it top. But I want to copy this particular layer style, this layer style. Go to copy layer style, because don't do this golden effect all over again. We just go and copy it. Come to the name, click on paste layer style, and there we have it. That's it. Let's come here, give it italics. Let's click on, let's see, this one, duplicate it. Okay, so hold shift and drag it down. Alright, and then let's select this, copy, then paste. Okay, let's bring it down a little bit. Let's duplicate it, bring it down, and then let's pull it somewhere outside. Also, we want to bring this one somewhere outside again. Let's name this down. Then this, let's type in this one. Let's put this one there and drag it down. Now let's come to name. Let's duplicate end and let's drag it up. Then hold shift, pull it down. And let's see, RSVP. Click on it and then click on paste layer style. So now this is what we have. We need to arrange it nicely. Let's send it up there. Okay, click here. Let's name this one RSVP. Awesome. Let's send it down a little bit. Okay, and then the name, let's send it also a little bit. Let's close it. Then let's send the top a little bit. Okay, now let's zoom in and see the effect. Let's click here to here. Then let's see how it shows up. Okay, so we want it to be centered like this. Okay, let's see whether we can enlarge it a little bit. The entire mix. Let's push it down. let's hide this, and I think let's reduce it a little bit. Now I'm letting you see this because when you're designing, this is some of the challenges you are going to face. You have to make sure you do it nicely and perfectly. Click on this and drag it, then leave it in there. So let's reduce it. We hold Alt and then we reduce it, and then you set it somewhere up here. Okay, let's go up, let's see, center it. Let's also click here and then type G. Let's use Baskerville. Yeah, Baskerville is perfect. Drag it in there, enlarge it. Alright, Control J, right click and flip it horizontal, then push it. Okay, so now let's select both and then let's zoom in a little bit so you can see the finest detail. Okay, hold Alt and then let's center that one too. Let's duplicate one of the G, type N over there. Okay. So I'd like to. Now for this end, I would like to use chopping. Definitely chopping script. Okay. Perhaps rotate it a little bit. Okay. Alright. Looks good. And maybe perhaps I might bring this closer to a little bit. Okay. Then put it in a folder. So let's add this to it as well because they are all part of the logo. Right click it and paste layer style applies to it as well. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how you create this flyer. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, and also behind I have some affiliate links as well. If you want to purchase something online and you need a Visa card, I have a virtual Visa card down there. Just click on the link. So if you're also a YouTuber and you want to grow your channel, I have a link down there that's going to help you. It's also an affiliate link. I get a little commission. Please support this channel by clicking on the link and then registering. I love you all. Peace out.